What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to quickly show you how to see if somebody blocked you on Snapchat. Now this is actually very simple and a helpful tool just to know if you're not messaging somebody that blocked you, and you could just find out if they blocked you right away. So I have this account right here at the top and I'm trying to figure out whether they blocked me or not. So I just typed a message in the chat, and as you could see, it says that it's pending under their name. You can see the little gray arrow for pending. And essentially what this means is that you were indeed blocked. If you have a pending message for a friend that you were previously friends with, that unfortunately means that they blocked you. And from here, you could just remove them as a friend and then simply just go on throughout your day. If you have any questions or found this tutorial confusing at all, don't hesitate to leave a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found it helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and also read the description because there's some very important information that you won't want to miss.